This is our white marble mini travel kit. It includes a mini flat iron, mini curling wand, and mini blow dryer. The mini marble curling wand features a 19mm tourmaline ceramic barrel. The mini marble flat iron has tourmaline ceramic plates as well as a 360-degree swivel cord. There's also a lock down at the bottom to hold the flat iron closed to keep it safe while traveling. The mini marble blow dryer has 3 speed settings and includes a concentrator nozzle attachment for more precision when drying. These 3 mini tools come in this marble travel case to keep them all in one place while you're traveling.